Holy Week in the Philippines. Semana Santa, or Holy Week, is from Palm Sunday to Black Saturday, then Easter Sunday. It is traditionally a solemn occasion in the Philippines, a time for serious atonement. Holy Week is when many people perform holy rites in fulfillment of a vow they made when they asked God for a favor, such as a cure for an illness. Palm Sunday commemorates the entry of Jesus Christ into Jerusalem. Following the Spanish tradition, Filipino Catholics bring palaspas or palm fronds to church to be blessed by the priests. Then they bring the fronds back home with them. For most of the week, especially after Tuesday, Catholics stop eating meat, turning to fish, and the more devout ones go on a completely liquid diet. The traditional pabasa, or the reading or chanting of verses about the suffering of Christ, starts on Sunday and ends on Maundy Thursday, which is the day where the washing of the feet is celebrated. This is an example of the pabasa chanting.
Mi sambungya at mi subsob, bininyagan kika naligod, pigkasakitan ng Jesus.
Good Friday, Mahal ni Araw, commemorates the crucifixion and death of Christ. On this day, you will see religious figures being carried through the towns on top of carriages, carrazas. The religious images and statues are veiled in black in mourning of the death of Jesus. The most striking feature of Holy Week celebrations in the Philippines is the sight of Filipinos publicly whipping themselves. These are reenactments of the torture and death of Jesus. Some Filipinos not only whip their backs into a bloody mess, they also have their feet and hands nailed to a wooden cross. Tourists come from all over the world for the sight. Pampanga and Nueva Ecija are famous for their flagellants who cover their faces with white cotton hoods. This was in 2019. The chanting you are hearing is the pabasa. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.